The lemon, that small, bright yellow fruit, is much more than just a simple ingredient in our kitchen. It's a symbol of freshness, vitality, and well-being. Today, we invite you to dive into the fascinating world of lemons, exploring their millennia-old history, countless health benefits, and the most surprising uses you can incorporate into your culinary adventures and daily life. And of course, you'll discover how to enjoy it to the fullest in a special corner of Madrid. Cantina 33. To understand the true power of the lemon, we must first travel back in time to its origins in the lush tropical regions of Asia, particularly in India and nearby areas. There, the lemon grew wild for centuries, valued for its healing properties and unmistakable flavor. Ancient Indian texts already referred to it as a natural remedy for various ailments, and its use quickly spread through trade routes to the Middle East and North Africa. It was thanks to the Arabs that the lemon made its way to Europe around the 9th century. They introduced it to the Iberian Peninsula and other Mediterranean countries, where the mild climate and fertile soils proved ideal for its cultivation. Soon, the lemon became an essential ingredient in both cuisine and traditional medicine. During the Middle Ages, European apothecaries recommended it to combat infections and improve digestion, while sailors carried it on their journeys to prevent scurvy, a disease caused by vitamin C deficiency. Over the centuries, the lemon gained popularity worldwide. Its refreshing aroma and tangy flavor made it indispensable in the cuisine of numerous countries, from the Mediterranean coasts to Latin America. But its significance goes far beyond taste. The lemon has symbolized purity, cleanliness, and vital energy in various cultures, and today it continues to hold a special place in our daily lives. But what makes the lemon so special? The answer lies in its composition. The lemon is an exceptional source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that helps strengthen our immune system and keep us healthy against infections and illnesses. Just one lemon can provide up to half of the recommended daily intake of this vitamin, making it a vital ally for our health. Additionally, the lemon contains a wide variety of antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which help combat free radicals and protect our cells from premature aging. Its anti-inflammatory properties contribute to reducing discomfort and pain, while its natural acids aid in digestion and improve nutrient absorption. To top it off, the lemon is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an ideal complement to a balanced diet. The skin also reaps the benefits of lemons. Its high vitamin C content stimulates collagen production, helping to keep the skin firm and radiant. Additionally, its natural acids have an exfoliating and astringent effect, perfect for cleansing and revitalizing the complexion. It's no wonder that many beauty products include lemon extracts among their key ingredients. But the power of the lemon doesn't end here. Its culinary uses are virtually endless. From a simple glass of water with a few drops of lemon, which helps detoxify the body and kickstart the day with energy, to elaborate baking recipes and gourmet dishes. The lemon is the secret ingredient that enhances flavors, balances textures, and adds freshness to any preparation. In salads, a splash of lemon juice can transform the simplest ingredients into a feast of flavors. In dressings, it pairs perfectly with fresh herbs, oils, and spices, creating irresistible sauces for meats, fish, and vegetables. And, of course, it is the star ingredient in refreshing beverages like lemonades, smoothies, and cocktails, perfect for beating the heat and enjoying a moment of indulgence. Lemon is also essential in baking, providing a tangy and aromatic touch to cakes, pastries, and creamy desserts. Even in savory cooking, its juice and zest are indispensable for marinating meats and fish, softening intense flavors and giving dishes a beautiful shine. But lemon doesn't just shine in the kitchen. Its disinfectant and aromatic properties make it an excellent ally for household cleaning. A little lemon juice mixed with water is enough to eliminate odors, disinfect surfaces, and add shine to metals and glass. It's also effective for removing stains and naturally whitening laundry. And if you're looking for a unique dining experience where lemon takes center stage in every detail, you can't miss visiting Cantina 33, located at Calle Campomanes 5, in the heart of Madrid. This cozy spot is famous for its vibrant atmosphere and innovative culinary offerings, which blend the best of Venezuelan cuisine with a fresh and healthy twist. At Cantina 33, lemon is featured in a wide variety of dishes and drinks, from natural juices and vitamin-packed smoothies to fresh salads dressed with lemon and creatively reinterpreted traditional recipes. Here, you can enjoy gluten-free and vegan options designed to satisfy all tastes and needs. Imagine starting your day with freshly squeezed juice, accompanied by a vibrant and flavorful salad, or indulging in a traditional Venezuelan dish enhanced by the citrus touch of lemon. All of this in a warm and welcoming atmosphere, where attention to detail and a passion for great food can be felt in every corner. The lemon is much more than just a simple citrus fruit. It symbolizes health, freshness, and joy. capable of transforming any dish and enhancing our well-being naturally. Whether in your kitchen, in your beauty routine, or at a special place like Cantina 33, the lemon always has something new to offer you. So the next time you see a lemon, remember all that it holds. Centuries of history, countless benefits, and a universe of possibilities to explore. Dare to experiment, discover new flavors, and take care of yourself with the best that nature has to offer. And if you want to experience it all, come to Cantina 33 and let yourself be surprised by everything that lemon can bring to your life. We are waiting for you with open arms to share the power of lemon, the freshness of our dishes, and the warmth of our team. Because in every drop of lemon, there is a story, a benefit, and an invitation to enjoy the best of life. See you soon.